Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the plane cut feature in MeshMixer to take this full arch model and really trim it down. We're going to send this to our lab to make a lower 3-to-3 wire, and I just want to print like a 4-to-4 model. So I will do Edit, Plane Cut, click with the left mouse and just drag through this premolar on an angle. We'll need to click this big blue arrow so that the rest of the arch is shaded. And then I'll just come over and look from the side and make sure that the hole in the back is filled in. Even though it's kind of cut at an angle, that doesn't really bother me. We'll click accept and then come back and do the same thing on the other side. Now, one thing I'll show you that you need to pay attention to is, depending on where you make your cut, sometimes it might show up like that, where it looks hollow on the inside. So take this little blue arrow and just drag it forward or backwards until you get it so that it's green. Then we'll click accept. And then usually what we'll do is go in and trim a little bit off the base. Again, we want this to be a small model because all that's going to happen is our lab person is going to fit a wire on the back of it. So we'll do plane cut one more time. Look up from underneath, and I'll move this down some. So you see there how it's showing up hollow. So again, I'm clicking on this blue and just dragging it down a little until MeshMixer's program picks up that it will be solid, and we'll click accept. Now from here, if you want, you can use the select tool to go in and clean up some of this stuff or get rid of this little blip here, but that'll be for a different video. So this showed you how to take a big model and use the plane cut feature to trim it into this little guy, and this shouldn't take that long to print and will save us some expense of having our lab print it. There you go.